My name is Cameron Colvin. I'm a long-range planner with the city's Community Development Department. Over the past year, I helped work with community members and city staff to develop the city's first climate action plan. Our region is experiencing more frequent flooding, wildfire smoke, and other extreme weather events. Now that the plan's adopted, the city is really focused on some of those near-term actions that we can get started on. We are going to be expanding the number of electric vehicle chargers here at City Hall. We are also looking to establish a new mini grant program to provide funding to local organizations that are doing projects that are benefiting the community and the environment.
I'm Kelly Hennessy, the director of Threads and Treads, which is a free clothing bank. We serve the students and families of the North Shore School District as well as the surrounding communities. We don't count items, we don't limit items from people. If they need it, they take it. We try and keep the climate and environment in mind. Anything that we can't use, we bag up and pass on to Northwest Center. If they cannot use items, they get shredded and made into moving blankets. People can get involved with Threads and Treads in a number of ways. We have adult volunteers, youth volunteers, and just flat out clothing donations and monetary donations to help support our program.
I'm David Bain. I'm Vice President of Friends of North Creek Forest, and we're a nonprofit based in Bothell. The work we're doing is probably most related to climate resilience. Forests are very good at keeping rainfall from turning into floods, and we've had recent years where we've had wildfire smoke to deal with, and trees are very good at filtering out that smoke.
My name is Sarah Witt. I'm the president of the board of directors for Friends of North Creek Forest. The Friends of North Creek Forest was a nonprofit organization neighborhood group that came together to conserve 64 acres of natural space, and now it's part of the parks system for Bothell. We use environmental restoration practices, plant native species, remove invasive species, remove trash. Climate in Bothell matters because this is where we're going to live the rest of our lives. This is where our kids are going to live the rest of their lives. Volunteering for Friends of North Creek Forest is great, but volunteering with other organizations such as Whale Scout, One Bothell, or Snow King Watershed Council is also great. Change isn't made all at once, but it's completely worth it in the end.
So there's lots of different ways that people can get involved. Following the city's social media to learn about upcoming events that you could volunteer for. You can also make small behavioral changes that really have a big impact. Trying to conserve more energy at home, trying to be creative and take alternative forms of transportation, particularly for shorter trips. Community participation is so important to the success of this plan because climate change isn't something that any of us can really address on our own. Even each of us doing small things add up to make a larger impact.